welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a VR for Tammy. Her channel name is My World in OKC and she's having a giveaway. So what Tammy's asking for is 3 embellishments and a memory decks card. That's it, and she's given us a lot of time. This is due, I believe, September 30th. So you guys have time to jump on in. Her video link will be in the description box so you can check out all the rules and things for her giveaway. So now I just want to show you my memory decks card to start. So here's the memory decks card. It is so cute. I used this paper here and distressed inked around the edges. And then what I did was I used a doily, a little banner, I layered up some butterflies, some trim, and then Make Life Beautiful, and I put on this cute little layered up flower and added the flat back pearls. And the back is just simple little pocket with my info right inside. Next up, I did create a little shaker pitcher, and how cute is this? Little shaker pitcher. I put some flowers on top. I just think this is super cute for any project. So I had a really fun time making this. Then we created one of these shaker dresses. I love these, and I made a few of these not too long ago. And this was inspired by G.I. Kerr. She is an amazing channel and super fun. So I created mine into a shaker by just stitching some tulle right around the bottom. Added a little bow, bling, and flat back pearls. And then the last embellishment I made was this mason jar craft, and it's another shaker. I made all little shakers. I added some little trim, some twine, and a little dangly charm here, and I think it really came out cute. So here are all my little creations for Tammy's giveaway. Alright guys, that is it for today. That's what I created for Tammy, my 3 little embellishments and my memory decks card. Hope you enjoyed my creations, and I hope Tammy does as well. Don't forget to go show her some crafty love. As always, I hope you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye!